What's up everybody? What's up YouTube? What's up Ranger fans? This is Psycho White here, and today I'm gonna review the Power Rangers Lightning Collection of Wave 6. What's up everyone? So here today we have Zach as a Black Ranger and Ashley from Power Rangers in Space, and here we have Goldar, second version of it, and we have Tommy as the Power Rangers Zeo. And here is the package of the Black Ranger looks like. Here's the front side. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. And here is the Yellow Ranger looks like from the front view. Here's the side view. And here's the back view of it. And here's the other side. And here is Goldar package looks like. And here's Goldar, the other side view. Here's the back view of it. And here's the other side. And but not least, here is Zeo red package. And here's the side view. And here is the back view. And here's the side. Here's the front again. And here are the Wave 6 collection of it. And here is up close of Zach. Here is Zach. He comes in with laser gun blaster, power axe, and another of the dagger right here. And he also comes in with a helmet and two hands right here, and comes in a blaster effect of it. And here we have Black Ranger as Zach in the front of it, up close. And he comes in with the power blaster, power axe, the holsters, and also comes in with the helmet. Let's see. And comes in with the effect and a two-hand fist of it. And for the Yellow Ranger as Ashley, she comes in with the slingshot weapon and comes in with the the blue gun holsters, and comes in with the yellow Ranger helmet. Let's see, and comes in the 2 hands, and comes with their effect as well. And here is the second version of Goldar, and this one does not come with any wings. They just come with these 2 things right here, and it comes in the sword, and comes in with this 2 hands right here, and comes in this effect that goes with his sword. And here is Tommy, Zero Ranger 5, and here it comes in with this sword right here, and his power sword with Zero 5, and comes in the gun as well, and comes in with his Zero Ranger 5 helmet right here. See, and it comes in with this effect right here, and also comes in with his 2 fists right there. And for comparison, here is the other Zack with the dragon armor shield of the Black Ranger. And here is Shadow Ranger from Power Rangers in Space. And here is the other Goldar with wings on it. And this is the Goldar with the sword with less detailed, with the second version of the Goldar of the sword that's more detailed and has the gold painting on it on the second Goldar without the wings on it. And here is Rocky, Power Ranger in Steel, is a Zero Ranger 3. And here are my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Got a very good price at Amazon. And here are the OG classic Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And here is Raphael, Michelangelo, Leonardo, and Donatello. And they do come in with the weapons, and they are flexible, bendable. You can turn them what position you wanted them, and they also come in with their sewer plate, has their name on it. You can see there is Donatello on it, and here is Leonardo. Here is Michelangelo. And here is Raphael. Let's see it. So there you have it, my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Power Rangers collection with Wave 6. So subscribe if you haven't, give a comment if you like it or not, and I'll see you in the next video.